G'day, I'm Kate Rock. How are you? We are in Litchfield National Park and we're doing a small section of the tabletop track. What the hell?
Sticky sweet, commentate. Mind if I sit on your leg? Can you handle that?
Did we get a photo with all of us?
Oh yeah.
That one's just recorded.
Can I hold you for the photo? Can I hold you for the photo? Okay. Ready? We're going to do it all together.
Look at this guy.
Oh, it's on a 10-second timer.
Oh.
So
This is magnificent. Rainforest, savannah, desert. Going up, up, up. Nice and warm. Looking forward to our first swim. Carpentaria palm seeds. Pigeons eat the outside and poo out the seeds. Spread them all around. Do you know Elsie Sylvie Blair? Just starting at Wangi Falls and heading up to Tanjara camp, I think it is. A couple of wet water holes and hopefully a beautiful sunset. Whoa, look at that bridge. This is brilliant. I'm loving it so far. Whistling kite, is it? So we're currently on the tabletop track link trail and it's a bit overgrown, squelchy, but only about a K of it and then we'll pump through onto the proper tabletop track. Okay, we're on our way to the second water point, trying to pound out some K's while the little one's sleeping. Such a different landscape to what we're used to. It's really beautiful. Look at these big trees. I've done Larapinta in Northern Territory and Chatboola and I was really keen to check out the tabletop. Love to do the whole thing one day, but just wanted to do a little section of it to get a taste of it here. And I chose this section starting at Wangi Falls just up because there's sort of 3 water points along the way, so we didn't have to carry too much water. Thought it'd be a bit more fun for my daughter and for me. I'm not terribly good in the hot heat. So beautiful. A bit worried about how exposed it will be here, but it's nice little patches of shade. The sweet, sweet sound of running water. Coming down now to the second waterfall. Just pretty excited to see.
what you got?
It's so pretty, isn't it?
It's really cool.
Look at that. Plunge pool over the edge. Oh yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Woo. Oh. Oasis. Feels nice. Oh, look at it go! Little shrimp! Little nibblers. Back on track. We have more water. We had a swim. Feeling refreshed after that hot patch. Happy campers so far. Hole there. Muzzle. Damn, I'm always saying dumb shit. Just past 10 Jar Falls and we're just sneaking up to the campsite, drop our gear, back for some swim and ginger beer.
When I'm older, I could have done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell her, shoot your shots. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living what we manifest. You'll get your dreams, just do your best.
Kate making something. What are you making, Kate?
Campers pantry. And we've got one radix for Elsie.
Pouring it in there.
I want not to burn my hands.
Wow, this is so nice. Can you see this? How nice is it here? After all our camps.
I'm actually not getting bitten out here.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I see one and hear one occasionally, but it's definitely not like it was when we were going to bed last night where they were just like...
Come here, Noodle. Come sit on your special chair and you can eat your noodles. This is your special chair, hey? So we're just going out to a little track off the side here at the campsite to a waterfall. Beautiful pool.
You put your head under? Oh, what? It always feels better.
All right, we are fully loaded. Check the campsite. Looking clean. The aim is to retrace our steps today. Hopefully just pound it out. Trying to start as early as we can to get out of the heat of the day.
Do I have a June bug on my shoulder?
Oh, she looks happy. All right, camels, let's go. Some of this terrain's a little bit scrabbly, so just taking it extra slow because we've got Junie with us. It's so beautiful, the bright orange blossoms all over the ground. Must be the birds just knock them down when they're feeding on the nectar. So pretty. Nice and slow. Loving this section. This is what I thought the trail would be like, this really sort of flat, open, beautiful trees, but it's actually been fairly up and down, a bit rocky. I've had to take it super slow in spots with my daughter, just because we obviously don't want to have a fall with her, so, you know, helping each other down little sections. Seeing these little blue trail markers, they really remind me of the Larapinta and Jatbula. They're actually replacing all the markers on the Larapinta, and they did a thing where they sold off old markers, and I think for 10-15 bucks, and I bought one and got one at home with a beautiful photo. Just found a little medallion on the tree back there that indicated you could cut off this loop track. Just follow the cliff line along to Wangi Falls. Cutting off a bit of kilometres, but we're just staying on track. So lovely, so different to anything we have back home. This cool track, I just can't wait to get back and do more. Tell you what, it's much more pleasant going early in the morning than we hit the trail yesterday about, I think, 12:30. Made it pretty hot, hard work. Bit of elevation, ups and downs. Wangi Falls has a loop track, so we're going to hit that and check out that bit. Feels good. I think it's only 11, so should be burgers at noon. We're going to bang out this whole trail from Wangi Falls to the campsite. About 3 hours today, because we haven't been stopping and swimming in all the water holes, and Junie's been happy in the little bugaboo, so we've just been carrying her and pounding it out. And obviously we started a lot earlier, so a lot nicer and cooler.
Butterflies in here.
What?
Beautiful.
Oh my goodness, there are.
Yeah.
Definitely going to have to come back and do the whole trail one day. Magic. Oh. Thank you so much for watching. What a bloody magnificent hike.